Hi friends, it's Barry. Let's solve this circle packing puzzle together. So there are 13 small circles and inside one big circle, and each of these 13 small circles has radius 1. And we want to find a shaded area. So let's do this, and I'll use the following diagram to solve this problem. Let me put it here. Let me drag it so that it's bigger. So as you can see, we have drawn some lines. We have A, B, C, H, and O. So we are given that the radius of these small 13 circles is 1, right? We're going to write that as 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. And from H to B, that is also 1. So we now have this triangle. This is a right angle triangle, in fact, HCB, with CB being the hypotenuse of length 2 and HB being 1. And that's the right angle. So once again, whenever we see these right angled triangles in geometry puzzles, we always want to use the Pythagoras theorem. So CH squared plus 1 squared equals 2 squared. So CH squared is 4 minus 1, that is 3. So CH is the square root of 3. So square root of 3. So here we have square root of 3, and also here square root of 3. Now, we are extending from the center of the big circle. So this is the center of the big circle. And we already know the length of OH and HC, and we also want to know the length here. Okay, well, the length here is just 1, okay? So the radius of the whole big circle is root 3 plus root 3 plus 1. That is 2 root 3 plus 1. So to find the shaded area, all we have to do is to find the area of the big circle and minus 13 of those small circles of radius 1. So area of big circle is pi times 2 root 3 plus 1 squared. So that is pi and then 2 root 3 squared. So 4 times 3 is 12, and then 2 times 2 root 3 is 4 root 3, and then 1 squared is 1. So we have pi 13 plus 4 root 3 squared plus 4 root 3. So at this point, we now want to find the area of those 13 circles of radius 1. Well, that's just 13 times pi times 1 squared. Oops, so let me write it clearly. So 13, oh god, come on. So 13 times pi times 1 squared. So that is just, well, 13 pi, okay? 13 pi, and pi 13 plus 4 root 3. So we find the difference of the two. We simply get pi times 4 root 3. That is the area of the shaded region. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.